So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my buddy Layton.
How's it going?
This is the new project that is going to start in the garage. Layton, I guess, was driving it and overheated it pretty bad. There's some issues with it, and now it's coming home, and we'll get some content out over it soon. right, so a couple things have happened since y'all last saw. We got the head off. You can obviously tell there's some water damage down in there. It's definitely these rear two cylinders we were having issues with. This is a really involved process, pulling cams, pulling timing cover, a lot going on to get it in there. There's all the injector harness and all the ECU harnesses. But we made good progress today, so next time that you see us, we'll pull the other side and keep on rolling. The plan is to resurface the heads, finish rebuilding the motor, and get it fired back up. Anything you want to add?
It's definitely been a learning process, learning curve. I'm glad to see that the pistons still move and that we can actually turn the engine and it's not locked up. So that's a great sign, but definitely not impossible. Even if you know, you're a regular person and you are relatively mechanically inclined, you can kind of just dig into it. As long as you keep everything organized, you can learn and get it done at the same time. So that's what I've gained from this process.
All right, and next time you see us, we'll be pulling that head. And Colin here. The guy, or me from the previous clip, is a liar. The next time you see us is now. We're obviously not pulling the head. Leighton had to go home, just kind of some scheduling issues, and things like this take time. So there will be content moving forward of this truck and this build and getting it back on the road. But until then, watch some other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll continue to keep them rolling out. This has been Colin with Mandrino Motorsports.